Welcome back, children. This class I am going to discuss about certain functions, certain string functions used in MySQL. First of all, we can see what we meant by function. Functions are the special type of predefined commands that perform some operation and produce a single result. They are the predefined commands. Functions are the predefined commands which perform some operation and perform a single result. In MySQL, functions are categorized into two. They are single row functions and aggregate functions. Single row functions are the function which perform operation on each record of the table. Single row functions are the function which perform operations on each row of the table. Whereas aggregate functions are the function which perform operations on a group of records. See the difference. The first one, it will perform operation on each record of the table. Second one, it perform operation on grouped record of the table. Now, this single row function again categorized into three. There are three categories of single row functions are there. They are string functions, numeric functions and date functions. String functions, numeric functions and date functions. These are the different types of single row functions. Now we can see what are the different types of single row functions. Different types of single row functions. Now I am going to try out each of the single row function in MySQL. The first function is character. See that? I am going to use, you can use this function, you can try this function in three different ways. I will try out this function, not all the functions, for one or two functions by using three methods. And you have to try out all these functions by using these three methods. See that the first method is I am going to use character of, I am going to say character of 90. We know that what's a character of 90? That means the ASCII value 90 is converted into which character? Yes, it is converted into capital small letter Z. I am going to say character of 65. What's the character of 65? It will be capital A. Now, this can be written this way also. See then, as character. As character. See then, as character. See the heading. Whatever given in the as part will be displayed as heading. Previous case, whatever given after the select what you are giving, that will be the heading. Here I just use the keyword as and I just given a heading. That heading will be the heading of the output. Next, I am going to try out the same thing. Character of 65 from EMP. Check it whether the table EMP is there or not. See that EMP is existing, which has two records are there. That is why the character of 65 is displayed two times. Try out with DPT. I think DPT has three records are there. Yes, it has three records, so three times the A is displayed. This from clause represents the table name. So if you are using the from clause over here, that depends upon the number of records in the table, that much of time that output will be displayed on your screen. The heading will be this character of 65. Now, next I am going to try out the next function, select concat. Concat means it's combining two or more strings. See, I am going to write the first string as ABC, second string as XYZ, and third string as GHT. See that everything is concatenated together. Same, you try out this way as concatenated string. This is a heading, concatenated string. Heading must be in single quote or double quote. See that heading, whatever given after the as will be the heading and will be concatenated there. Same thing, try out this way. From DPT. 3 records are there in DPT table, and now see what is happening. 3 times the same concatenated string will be displayed. So when you try out all these functions by using all these 3 methods. And the next function I can use select upper of, I am going to use SQL. See that this is in upper letter. Whatever given as the argument will be displayed in capital letter. Instead of upper, you can use UCase. Upper and UCase are doing the same thing as you got the output in capital letter. Same way we have lower and LCase. It's doing the same method, same property itself. It will convert into small letter LCase and lower. It will convert the given string into or given argument into lowercase. Now the next thing, select LTrim. LTrim means it remove the space from the left side of the argument. LTrim. Now I am going to give few spaces on the left side, and after that I am going to give SQL. All the spaces from the left side will be removed. See that it is removed the left side space. Same way we have rtrim also there. Rtrim. Can you say what is the purpose of this rtrim? Yes, it will remove the space from the right side of the string. It will remove the space from the right side of the given argument. See, I just given it as right side, and here it will be rtrim. It's remove the space from the right side. Same way we have one more function is there, that is trim. Trim will remove the space from both left and right. Yes, it will remove the space from both left and right. This is only the heading. This represents the heading part and this is output. So now LTrim will remove the space from left side of the argument. rtrim will remove the space from right side of the argument, and trim will remove the space from both the sides. For left and right side, spaces will be removed. That is the purpose of trim method. Now next is select length. That you know that what is the purpose of length method. Yes, SQL. What is the length of this one? It will display the answer as 3. See the heading, that means you just listen to that heading part. Now, length will return the number of characters present in the given string or given argument. Next function, select substring. This is a common question in your board paper. Either it can ask in the form of find the output of this query. Now, select substring. As I am going to write attribute, and here I am going to write 1, 2, 3, 4. This means from the given string, from the third position, extract 4 characters. Given string is attribute. So from the word attribute, from the third position, extract 4 characters. Which is the third position here? Here the count is starting with 1. 1, 2, 3. This is third position and 4 characters. 1, T, second T is the first character. T, 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer will be 3. Try out another example. I'll write it another example here as computer science. Computer science, I am going to write 3, 4. So from the third position, I'll change this into 4, 4, 3. What is the meaning of this 4, 3? From the fourth position, extract thread character. From the fourth position means fourth position. From the fourth position, right side. Right side of the fourth position, extract 3 characters, including the fourth character. See then, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth is P. So 3 characters. 1, 2, 3. So that is why PUT is coming there. Same way we have another function is there. Select. Instead of substring, you can use mid also. Mid is working in the same way as substring itself. Computer, comma, I'm just going to say 5, 2. Can you say what is the answer for this one? 5, 2 from the fifth position. Which is the fifth position here? Fifth position is U, 2 characters. So U and T will be displayed there. Same thing, you can use it this way. Minus 5, 2. From minus 5 means from the right side, fifth character. From right side, 5 characters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth character from right side and extract 2 characters. What are the 2 characters? It will be extract P and U. So that is the purpose of mid. Mid is same as substring. Substring can be used as SUBSTR. Not full word is not needed. You can use it like this. Select SUBSTR substring. And I am going to write attribute. See here 4, 3. 4, 3. From fourth position, 3 characters is extracted. Or I can use this way also. Substring, argument, and the second argument is, I am just specifying the second argument as 4 and third argument is not specified. That means from the fourth position, remaining characters, the entire remaining characters will be extracted and displayed. Which is the fourth character? Yes, R is the fourth character. From R onwards, remaining full characters will be extracted. So you can use the substring this way also. So substring is same as mid. You can use substring SUBSTR or full substring. You can use it over there. And there will be another method is there. Select instring, INSTR, instring. Instring is used to extract or instring is used to find the position of substring within the main string. Find the position of substring within the main string. See that I am going to give the main string as attribute. This is the main string. I am going to give the substring as trib. So it will check whether trib is present in attribute. Yes. It is present. Which position? The starting position. Starting position is 3. Now, I am going to give a word which is not present in the... Yes, I am going to check it whether this word is present in attribute. It is not present. So that is why it is displaying the value 0. Count is beginning with 1. So if the value is not, if the second string is not present in the first string, then it will return the value 0. That is all about your INSTR. Now, any other function is there? So, I discussed about character, concat, lowercase, uppercase, trim, all the 3 types of string, substring, mid, INSTR, length. Now, the next 2 functions are left and right. Left is used to extract specified number of characters from the left side of the string. It is used to extract the specified number of characters from the left side of the string. Attribute, I am going to say 3. So, 3 characters is extracted from the given string. Same way, I can write right. Right. So, from the right side, 3 characters. UT. So, next function. Any other function is there? Yes, only these are the different types of functions present, different types of string functions present in MySQL. The main thing you have to remember, character, The first one what we studied is character. It is used to extract the character value for the given argument. Concat, that you know that it is used to just combining different strings. Lower, upper, everybody know that. L-trim, R-trim, trim, you know the meaning of this one. Next, string, substring, mid, in-string. Substring and mid are same, which will extract a substring from the main string. In-string will find the position of the substring within the main string. Don't confuse these two, substring and in-string. Substring will extract a substring from the main string, whereas in-string will find the position of the substring within the main string. Now, substring can be used with 3 argument or 2 argument. Here I mentioned 3 argument over here. Attribute is the first one, second one 3. You can discard the third argument. So, from the second position, from the second argument position, right side entire characters will be extracted if you are using only 2 argument. That is in-string. And next is length. Length is used to find the length of the string, that means number of characters. Left and right, left is used to extract the specified number of characters from the left side of the string, and right is used to find the specified number of characters from the right side of the string. Okay, remaining topics we can study in the next class. Thank you, children.